Hello, Elrose here, and today I am going to be training on Ice Wish. We are in Valedale, as you can probably tell if you do this race. I'm not actually wearing any tack, I'm just wearing my black bridle and my dressage ribbon / showing ribbon, because I don't wear my medals at shows, I wear them at competitions and stuff, or just everyday riding around. So yeah, I get the I have other tack that a better bridle and stuff, but first of all, I love the way this bridle looks on her. Second of all, I think that she's a wild Yorvik horse, so I don't think she would like to be tacked up. The only time I ever tacked her up was in when I was recording a wild horse, the 10 subscriber special. And our club is on fire. Today, I've been on for 2 seconds, and 2 people have joined, 3 people, I was on for about maybe 10, 20 minutes, and then I started recording, and there was 2 people in the 20 minutes, and then 10 minutes later, another person joined. So yeah, that was crazy. I'm just noticing right now. Oh my god. Yeah, great. This is just, oh my. I really should not embarrass myself on camera. That would be a very bad idea. Come on, boy. You know my kind of frenemy now, person on Star Stable? I've told you about them, their name is Zoe, on the game. Well, she loves Ice Wish. She hates Onyx Magic, she hates the way it looks, and honestly, first of all, I think you should not judge a horse on what he or she looks like. I think you should like their personality, mostly, and second of all, it's I'm a BRB. Bonjour, welcome back. Oh, look, another person to join the club. Wow, there's so many clubless people, but they look AFK, away from keyboard, if you didn't know. So yeah, I'm not going to invite them to a group so that I can ask them if they want a club. Frankly, we have enough club people for now. Rose can do the rest. I've asked so many people if they wanted a club. It's amazing that I'm still here. So yeah, here we're at Valedale Lake, and if you did not know, this is actually where there's my favorite jump on Star Stable. It is a cross-country jump. Whoopsies. It's my favorite cross-country jump, I should clarify, because I have a jump that I like more that's at the riding hall. But this is my favorite cross-country jump. And it's just you have to jump. Your horse has to jump in a V shape to get over it. Because it's so I'll wait till we get to a jump. Anyway, it's coming up, so either I'm going to see a jump that's going to help me explain, or I'm going to get to it earlier. So yeah, we're just training. It's fun. Don't question me. I love it. It's so fun. Yay! Okay. No, I'm going to leave. Have you clicked off the video yet? Well, if you did, you're stupid. I'm kidding. Nobody's stupid. If you have subscribed, you're obviously not stupid. But if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Because we do not have enough subscribers. Okay, yeah, so it's that one up here. It's this one, and I know I don't have to jump it, but I just love it. The other day, Ice Wish jumped it perfectly, but my horses never actually jump that jump correctly on camera. If you watch my cross country videos, then where I'm at Valedale Lake, you'll know that I've jumped that and it just doesn't work. Come on. yeah, next place we're gonna go up and do the zombie pole bending. This may take a second. I'm not gonna make you watch this. Hello back. Wow. Okay. For a second, like, she was invisible. So yeah. Mrs. Morris was. So yeah, this is the zombie pole bending. So yeah, I'm actually quite bad at this one, especially on a not maxed out horse. But oh well, aren't we all bad at some race or another? I think the ones that I'm worst at are this one, Will's Mill race is also one. Whoops, where's the next checkpoint? Like, oh, what? Okay, I think I ran out of time. That's the other thing, the time limits are like so low on these. Yeah, not 20 seconds each checkpoint. No way. Okay, maybe they're not low, but I think I used up all my time. Oh, it's because you had to go here, and I guess I just... No, I did that. Oh, it's because you needed to go over here, and I think I entered it the wrong... I don't get it. Ugh, what? Did I... Oh, I think I touched one of the spikes on something, or something else. I don't get this. Nah, it's not that. Maybe it's trying to jump? Huh? I don't know. I don't have any clue on Earth, but all I know is that we're gonna counter the rest of the way. I'm kidding. We need slowpokes. Whoa, did we? Okay, good. We'll get it. Whoa. Oh, yeah, it's when I touch it. Anyway, I'm gonna not make you tortured. See you in a sec. Hello, y'all. We are actually at Marley's. We are not gonna do the one in... I did the one in Valedale, because, like, I like that one, but, like, I wanted to show you the jumping more. So, yeah, this is Icewish's jumping. I love her jumping, by the way. I'm gonna have to get Onyx Magic, though, after this, because I'm gonna be... heading to do dressage with my friends, and I don't want to be the slowest horse in the room, because Icewish is slow. Like, compared to the other horses, he's slow. I would fall so behind with Icewish, but yeah. And she's just not a dressage horse, she's a jumping and cross-country horse. She doesn't like being inside the arena as much. She's okay with this arena because, like, it's nice and in box, but, like, the other arena, it's really, like, I feel like it would make her claustrophobic and mad. So, yeah, I'm gonna not do that because I don't want to make my horse claustrophobic and mad. So, yeah, I guess I'll let y'all come along with me getting my horse. And you can see what dressage stuff I use. So first of all, I have this shirt. It's from the free Star Rider shop, or the Lifetime shop. So here's the cap I use, the riding helmet I use, and then I wear my black dressage boots. There we go. So, and then these pants and these gloves, these ones are black, my other ones are white. So yeah, we're gonna head in there. That's for my person, but then you'll see what I use for my horse. I told them I'd be there in 5, so yeah, I better hurry. What? Yes, I know. It says that because, like, I clicked on the nameplate, which is how you sell horses. Don't sell your horse unless you, like, because it doesn't give you your money back, and I actually lost a pony doing that. A sad story. So yeah, I need to get off of my horse, and then I'm gonna just give her a pet. No hay or anything, because I actually bought hay today, and it took bit chunky. Put it in my pocket. And then we're gonna get Onyx Magic. Yeah, boy. And the other thing is that I can't put leg wraps on her, and that's not very good because, like, I kind of need leg wraps in dressage because it's really easy to be, like, following, and then you do the rear set, and then your horse falls behind, and suddenly your horse has a hurt leg. Like, that would be bad. So, yeah, here goes. Jeez, I'm really thirsty. I need to go get water in a sec. So yeah, we better hurry on over there. I'm gonna get there and then let you guys watch a sec while I run and while I get some water. Come on, boy. I don't know, but Onyx Magic just feels so much like he's having one of those days that he's just ugh. Especially in the championship. I did the Fingro championship and he was totally just like melting. Over, that's right. Get up. Get along. Okay, we better hurry. Okay. See, I keep on passing people with no clubs. Like, I hate this. Whenever I'm looking for people who want a club, everybody has a club. And when I'm not looking for people who need a club, everybody doesn't have a club. It's like, geez, I guess most of the old big clubs like Royal Saddles and stuff are just getting broken down. Royal Saddles was a dressage club. I was never in it, but I saw a bunch of people who were. Like, this club was huge, from what I think. So yeah, look at all these people. Like, at least 4 of those people came in today and yesterday. Maybe even more. Actually, probably more. Yeah, more. So yeah, we're not going to do the jumping over here, because I'm already all in dressage tag, and we need to get there quick. They're actually recording some sort of movie, I think. So yeah, I'll tell you in my next video if they are. Hopefully they're not, like, in the middle of the routine and I can join. Oh no, they're all in the middle of a dream. Hi. Hi. So yeah, we're gonna just have a jolly old time. Hi, Rose. Rose is such a good friend. Oh no. I'm never changing my hair, by the way, in the game or in real life. Because, like, I feel like that's a beautiful hairdo, but it wouldn't go with me. Okay, I wonder if we're gonna redo it or what. Hi. We doing routine? What? Where'd Rose go? I wonder why that person is crying. No, wait, come back. Dang it, they haven't. Elite Dreamers is still a big club. Hi? Am I invisible? I really hope not. That would not be the best thing. Is that? Is she cantering or slow galloping? Hello, am I invisible? So see you guys next time. See y'all next time. Hope y'all